Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I am gonna unbox the Huawei flagship device, which has totally changed the way we were looking at mobile phones earlier. So without wasting any more time, let's go straight to unboxing. But wait, have you hit the subscribe button? If not, please do it quickly. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, so it will help me continue making these videos. Thank you. Finally, the phone which I was waiting for has arrived. It took few days, but because it's an expensive one and I'm a new one, so it took me a while to get it for you guys. Enough said, let's open this beast and see what's inside. I'm very excited about it. Three, two, one. So here is the beast just laying on the top of the box. As you can see, the color I have bought for this review is actually Twilight. There are 4 other colors available like green, midnight blue, pink gold and black. This phone has released at the end of the last year, 2018. We have this another box, and what's inside, let's see. Okay, some paper, maybe user manual or something. Yeah, next we have the silicone back cover. I don't know, maybe it's some kind of a new trend that they are putting it in the box, but it's good. Next we have this USB-C type cable, and then the next thing we have this earbuds. That's great. Next, it looks some kind of a converter from USB-C to 3.5mm jack. And here is the best part actually, the charger. It's 40 watt. Normally the chargers came with the mobile phones which have the fast charging. Actually they are normally under 20 watt, but this one comes actually with 40 watt because Huawei is claiming to having a super fast charging. That's actually the one of the best part of this mobile phone. And here it is. Guys, I don't know what it's gonna be like inside, but I can tell you for sure as far the design goes, I mean, it's really a beautiful phone. The color, the curves, the edges, if you see on the back, I mean, they have so cleverly designed the 3 cameras with flashlight, and there is no fingerprint sensor as well, which is another feature of this mobile phone, that they have put it inside the glass on the front side of this mobile phone. Yes, so we will see later about that. So I will quickly open this mobile phone and do the processing. This mobile phone has 6.39-inch OLED QHD plus HDR display. Yes, the display of this mobile phone is just amazing. The colors are so crispy. It has 3 rear cameras and 1 front-facing camera. On the rear, it has 40 megapixel with f1.8, 20 megapixel f1.2, and 8 megapixel f2.4. And on the front, you get 24 megapixel camera with f2.0, 6 gig of RAM and 128 GB space. And you also get expandable storage, which they have introduced some kind of a nano card, which Huawei is saying that it's gonna be super fast. It has octa-core Kirin 980 processor, which is one of the fastest processor till today. So this mobile phone is gonna be super duper fast. The operating system of this phone is Android 9.0, and the Huawei software here is EMUI 9.0 as well. As you can see on the bottom side, there is no 3.5mm jack, so that's what's the converter for. Actually, you have to use the headphone of type C or you have to buy some Bluetooth headphones. Actually, the battery here is 4200 mAh battery with QI charging. It can wirelessly charge other QI charging phones or devices. So guys, this was actually unboxing. I can't say much about this device right now. I have to use this for a couple of days to give you a complete review about this phone, and then I can tell you for sure that if this mobile is worth buying or not. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you won't miss my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is HSA from Tech Review. Goodbye.